Hey, it's Chef Mike from GW Finn's Restaurant. We're here today cooking some blackened tuna. We do have something a little bit different today. Out of the dry ager, I got some yellowfin tuna. It's a nice chop. We leave the bone right in it. We're gonna go ahead and blacken that up for this dish. But first things first, we gotta make some goat cheese grits. That's gotta get going right away. So we got our water boiling. We're gonna add a little bit of salt, 4 cups of water, 1 cup of grits. Go ahead and whisk that on in. All right, what we're trying to do is take this hot pan and we're trying to blister these up. So we actually want them to get a little bit of color on them, not quite burn them, but move them around in this super hot pan. And that blistered skin, you can hear it popping. That's really where part of that flavor is going to come from, is all that hot, blistered, kind of slightly toasted skin. We have some really great dark greens. This is called spigarello. We'll throw a little bit of butter in our pan. With this kind of greens, I recommend just a little bit of garlic. Don't go crazy with it. And we're just going to go ahead and cook this down a little ways. But probably 3 or 4 minutes, you're going to be good to go. If you have some white wine open, you could always throw a little white wine in there. All right, our grits are looking good. They're nice and thick. Now all we're gonna do is add some goat cheese. I really like this recipe. It turns some people off when they hear it. Don't knock it till you try it. You need plenty of goat cheese. Don't be shy. Throw it right up in there. Lots and lots of goat cheese. I like to add a little bit of Parmesan too, just a little grated Parmesan. Go ahead and stir that in. And this is gonna go quick. I really don't wanna cook this tuna too much. So we're gonna take it first, and I like to go into the dry seasoning first. Get a nice thick coating in there, right on into some melted butter. All right, coats it really nice, right onto our pan. Probably only gonna go about 60 seconds aside. That is it. We're gonna serve this nice and rare. Go ahead and flip that over. There we go, beautiful. So just another 60 seconds or so on that side. All right, this looks like it's ready to come off. We'll go ahead and set it right here to rest while we do up the rest of this plating. All right, so there's our blackened tuna. Let's go ahead and plate this up. We'll start with a little bit of those grits we just made. We got our spicy shishito peppers, some of our spigarello greens here. We'll take our yellowfin tuna chop, set it right there in the middle. And then I got some house-made pepper jelly. So good. All right, so right there you got GW Finn's yellowfin tuna chop. We got some spigarello greens, some shishito peppers, goat cheese grits, and house pepper jelly.
More information about the great food at GW Finn's Restaurant can be found on their website at gwfins.com. Like the Big Chill, the Big Easy, the Big Top, or the Big Apple, here we do the Big Fish. It's about the adventure and experience of fishing as much as it is about trophies and limits. Now, fishing information for Southeast Louisiana is key here, but we will bring you recipes and other content related to the lifestyle that goes with the big fish. So please subscribe, like, notify, comment, share, and all the things that are part of the YouTube universe. We're going to get better at adding new content every week and want to know what you think. Appreciate you checking us out. Let us know what you want, and we'll do what we can to make it happen.